Don't buy ApeCoin until you finish watching this video. Hello everybody, my name is Sanad and welcome to another episode of The Clever Millionaire. Before we get started, I would appreciate it if you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Also, check out the links in the description box below for some free crypto. And now let's jump straight into the video. So over the last 24 hours, I have been bombarded with messages saying, yo, are you buying ApeCoin? Are you jumping in? What are your thoughts on ApeCoin? Everyone is talking about ApeCoin and everyone is wondering if they should invest. In today's video, I'll be giving you guys my honest opinion on ApeCoin. What are the pros? What are the cons? Are there any red flags? What am I personally doing? Am I aping in? What's my strategy with this project? I will share everything and more in this video. But remember, none of this is financial advice. This is just my personal opinions and what I'm doing personally with my money. And now let's get straight to it. So ApeCoin came out of nowhere and everyone is talking about it. Let's check out their website to learn more about this project. Alright, so now we're on their website and it pretty much states ApeCoin is for the Web3 economy. Culture has found a new expression in Web3 through art, gaming, entertainment, and events. The possibilities of blockchain's impact on culture are so endless that they cannot possibly all be predicted yet. So they're pretty much making this coin to utilize it with their NFTs. As you guys know, the Bored Ape NFT collection is one of the biggest and most expensive collections in the world. And a lot of people have made millions and millions of dollars with that NFT collection. And right now they are creating a coin to add more utility to the project and to the NFT collection. Also, they will have a DAO. This is where all the holders of ApeCoin will be able to help make decisions on partnerships, on allocations, on governance, on rules, the ecosystem, and a ton of other stuff. So it is pretty much giving a little bit of utility to the project. And here are the people behind the project. They have Alexis, co-founder of Reddit, Amy, head of ventures and gaming at FTX, Maria, principal at Sound Ventures, Yacht, co-founder and chairman of Animco Brands, Dean, president and general counsel at Horizon Labs. Their team is definitely well built. And now let's talk about all the juicy details and the important information that you need to know. The total supply of ApeCoin is permanently fixed at 1 billion. And this is how it is broken down. 62% will be for the ecosystem fund. Also, 150 million tokens are going to go to the NFT holders. This is pretty much free money that they will get for simply holding their NFTs. Also, 470 million tokens to DAO treasury and resources. At launch, 117 million will be unlocked instantly. And then over 7 million tokens will unlock every month for 48 months. 16% for Yuga Labs and charity. 150 million tokens to Yuga Labs, which will be locked up for 12 months. Also, just over 4 million will be unlocked every month for 36 months. And they have a bunch of different allocations as well. But you guys can check that out on their website, apecoin.com. And here's a breakdown of how much free tokens the NFT holders are going to get. So if you hold a Bored Ape only, you are going to get 10,094 free tokens. If you hold a Mutant Ape, you will get just over 2,000 tokens. If you hold a Bored Ape plus a Kennel Club, you are going to get 10,950 tokens. Mutant Ape plus Kennel Club, you're going to get 2,898 tokens. So after taking a quick look at ApeCoin and their website, the first thing that came to mind was, man, this is probably a big pump and dump to make the NFT holders even more money. And some of those NFT holders made a ton of money. I was trying to find real utility for ApeCoin. As of right now, there isn't any. But we all know, guys, utility in crypto doesn't really matter. A project can pump 100x, 1000x without having any utility whatsoever. And right now, the project just launched. And who knows down the road what kind of utility it will actually have. There are a ton of projects that have no utility whatsoever, but they have great communities and even better marketing. And these days in crypto, if you have good marketing, your coin can go up big time. And when you go over to CoinMarketCap, you will see that ApeCoin is ranked number 50. over 2 billion market cap. That is insane, especially for a project that launched less than 24 hours ago. Let's click on it. As you can see, the coin is selling at $7.53, and it says that it's up over 600% today. But this information is definitely not correct. But when we scroll down and we take a look at the chart, you will see a massive sell-off. It shows that it was $20.40 and now it is $7.56. That is a major dump. This is pretty much all the NFT holders that receive 10,000 free tokens. They're simply dumping on the market and cashing out. Just take a look at this guy 7 hours ago. He's feeling very bearish. Lost $2,000 instantly. Great. He was probably buying when it first launched. And that is always a bad idea, especially when they publicly announced that they will be giving airdrops to all the NFT holders. And you already know, once these people get $100,000 worth of free money, they're going to be selling and cashing out. And now let's take a look at a more accurate chart. This right here is the Ethereum 8 pair. And as you can see, when it first launched, it pumped up to over $50 per coin. So if you were using Uniswap or some other exchange to get this coin, chances are you bought at the very top. Especially if you woke up early and you're like, yo, I gotta get me some ApeCoin. You definitely bought at the top. Right after it opened, it pumped up, and then all the people started dumping. All the ones that got those free tokens, they started taking profits. As you can see, the chart looks like a regular pump and dump. And over the last 24 hours, it is down 67%. So all the people that be jumping into these coins, that be aping in at launch, they're the ones that are getting liquidated. They're the ones that are losing all of their profits. It is never a good idea to jump in at the very beginning. So what am I personally doing? Will I be buying some ApeCoin? Will I be aping in for massive profits? What is my strategy? As of right now, I'm simply sitting on the sidelines and watching the show. But I am getting ready to purchase. Right now, ApeCoin is listed on a ton of different exchanges. From Binance to Coinbase to KuCoin. That is where I'll be buying at. Kraken, FTX. Literally, they got listed on all the major exchanges on day one. That is insane in my opinion. As of right now, I'm waiting for the dust to settle, let the hype die down a little bit. I also allocated $30,000 into my KuCoin account, and I'll be using this money to purchase some ApeCoin. But right now, I'm just watching. I'm letting the money sit there for the perfect opportunity. We all know, guys, when a coin first launches, it has a massive pump and then a massive dump as well. If you're skilled or if you have a bot that can purchase right at launch and trade really quickly, you're probably going to make some money. But if you are a regular person and you're trying to buy these coins right when they first launch, 99% of the time, you are going to get screwed and you are going to lose money. So why am I aping into ApeCoin? First off, the hype is unreal. They are already listed on all the major exchanges. Everyone is talking about it. They also have a great team and a lot of stuff planned for the future. So I think this is definitely going to be a good long-term play. But right now, it is definitely gambling. It is definitely super risky. So please do not take this as financial advice. Do what is right for your portfolio. My strategy is very simple. I will be investing $30,000. I want to get in at around $5 to $6 if it gets that low. And then wait for my money to double, take out my initial investment, and let the rest go to the moon. I'm hoping they release staking. That way I can pretty much stake my entire position and then make more money that way as well. Also, don't forget, all those NFT holders, they got 10,000 free tokens. They will be looking to sell and they will be looking to make some profits. A lot of those sold at the very beginning. Just imagine having 10,000 tokens and selling at $50 a piece. You're making $500,000 of free money. But guys, there's obviously going to be other holders that will be selling today, tomorrow, and the next day. So in my opinion, the price is going to fluctuate, probably go up and down for those couple of days before we find the actual bottom. The bad news is at the end of every month, millions and millions of new tokens will be unlocked. And chances are those people are going to sell as well. So in my opinion, getting in a couple days after launch, getting a position, and then selling before the new tokens are unlocked. And then possibly wait for a correction when they're unlocked and those people sell, and then buy that dip for the ride up once again. That is my plan. That is what I personally will be doing. All right, everybody, that concludes this video. Let me know in the comment section below, will you be aping into ApeCoin? What are your thoughts on it? Let me know in the comment section below. And don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, not financial advice, and see you in the next video. Peace out.